Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. So guys, this is Akash, you watching my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm explain how to change your orientation Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's start today's video. So now I'm just open PowerPoint 2016 and click blank presentation, click full screen and go to design sections and right side slide size, click custom slide side, then orientation slides 14, click OK. So ensure fit, okay. So now you can see portrait mode. So you can back here, click again and select custom size and select landscape, then click OK and click maximize. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. So please subscribe our channel and like this video. Goodbye.